Welcome to section 3.4, lesson 2. We're going to continue our work with spheres, but this time we'll look for the capacity. So example 1. A soccer ball has a diameter of 8.6 inches. How much air can the ball hold? So how much air the ball can hold is referring to the capacity of the soccer ball. In this case, that's the same as the volume of the soccer ball, so the volume of a sphere. So let's do 4 pi r cubed divided by 3. So now I'm going to have to figure out the radius because we're given the diameter in the question. So I'm going to take 8.6 inches and divide that by 2 to determine that the radius is 4.3 inches. So that's what I'll plug into my formula. 4 times pi times 4.3 cubed, all divided by 3. Now that works out to be 333.0 cubic inches of air to fill that soccer ball. Now example 2. A store sells slushies in a container that has a cone-shaped bottom with a hemisphere as a lid. Now a hemisphere is just half of a sphere. So how much slushy can this container hold? So we're going to find the capacity of the cone, the capacity of the hemisphere, and then we'll add them together. So let's start with the cone. Now the capacity of the cone is the same as the volume of the cone, which is pi r squared h divided by 3. So I see that they gave us the diameter, so I'm going to have to divide 3 inches by 2 to figure out the radius, and that is 1.5 inches. So I'll plug r to be 1.5, and I'll replace h with 4. So I get that the capacity of the cone is 9.4 cubic inches. Now I'm going to find the volume or the capacity of the sphere. Then after I figure out the sphere, I'll divide it by 2 to figure out the hemisphere. So now for a sphere, we have 4 pi r cubed divided by 3. So I'll replace r with 1.5. And on the calculator, I get 14.1 cubic inches. So now I'll divide that by 2. And doing that gives me 7.1 by the time I round. So now I can say that the container can hold 9.4 plus 7.1 or 16.5 cubic inches of slushy.